Hello, good day to my future employer. My name is Mijan Villarin Kamiki from the Philippines. I am 37 years old. I am happily married, blessed with two children, ages 12 years old and 4 years old. I am a college graduate and I am an ex-abroad. I worked in Saudi for 2 years and 7 months. I serve with five members of the family, one couple blessed with three children, ages 25 years old, 16 years old, and 14 years old. I am the one who clean and organize the house. I do laundry, iron the clothes, and cooking. I am willing to take care of the baby and children. I am ready to work with you, mom and sir, and I am committed to finish my contract. Thank you so much and God bless.